everybody, time for another Jimmy Rig project, and this time we're going to turn this live edge slab of wood into a sofa table that looks just like this. We're going to jump right into this and get things going. This is a really easy project. I'll cut to the chase and let's go. I'm Fran. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you feel like it. Otherwise, hang on in and let's check out what we do for this sofa table. So first of all, driving through my neighborhood, I found a local person that sells wood. There's plenty of people when you live in the country area, but I was looking for something to put in back of my couch, which is a curved sectional. I didn't want just a simple rectangle behind there, so of course I decided to make something myself. So finding this piece of wood, and I don't remember what it is now. It's something with a fruit or something to it. But right now I am spraying the wood down with some neem oil and a little bit of water. It's mostly neem oil to get any bugs that are in there out, because when the wood is sitting around, there are bugs in it. I'm just going to scrub this down a little bit to get rid of, like I said, any bugs or anything that's just hanging around in there. I did not sand this or anything much because I really just wanted to see what it would look like once I was done and if it would even work behind the couch. Just kind of testing it out. So after brushing it off, I used some linseed oil to put on it, and I put that on really heavy, but you're going to see that by the time I get ready to get to further down in the steps, that oil is going to be then soaked all the way into that wood because it was a dry piece of wood, so the oil didn't last long on it at all. So I got it on there nice and heavy. You can see the strings, I guess you want to call it, in the wood. Now those are hairpin legs that I bought from Amazon. They were called Counter Height. It was 4 in a pack. I think they were like $39 or $49. I really like the hairpin legs because they kind of disappear. These were really easy to put on. They came with everything, and even these little feet that you tap on so that the I don't know, point part is not just on the floor. Here it is, and as you can see, that oil is all gone. It's soaked in. Now you guys know how I like to burn things up to get the color. I pulled out my little mini torch so that I could just get the edges. I don't want to burn the top or the bottom. I just wanted to get the edge or the barked area. Once that bark was removed, I wanted that to be more of a black. And then I was hoping that once I get that last coat of oil back on the top, that it would just mesh together. One thing that I will never do is use this little bitty torch again. Number one, the wind was blowing. Number two, it was about 20 or 30 degrees out there, so it was cold. I could have pulled out my big torch and got this over with. I also discovered some things that I could have did better. Now here is a look at how it turned out. Ignore the bar stools, ignore the cords. As you can see, this table has actually been getting used. Also ignore my Valentine Christmas tree or Valentine tree in the background. Focus, y'all. This is a plug or a power port. I added 2 of those, which allows us to put our things down, plug right in. We love it. Even this little headphone holder, I think I bought that at Five Below some years ago and just pulled it out because I'm sitting here at this table editing my videos. Here's a close-up of the wood itself, and as you can see those little ridges or rings in it, that's the mistake that I did. I did not sand this. Again, it was cold outside. So when I redo this, I'm going to take it up to one of the wood shops, have it planed, and then reattach and just redo everything. Let me know what you think. Oh, here's a close-up of the charred wood. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for sticking in there with me, and see you in the next Jimmy Rig video. Bye bye for now.